Hello and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. In today's video I'm going to share with you my recipe for oatmeal carrot cake. It is vegan and gluten free and a healthier alternative to regular carrot cake. We'll also add some spices to make it very flavorful. So let's see how to make it. We'll begin with making the egg replacement. If you want to use eggs, you can beat 2 eggs until well combined. But here I'm using 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder or ground flaxseed. We'll add in 6 tablespoons of water, approximately 100 ml, and mix it in real good. For best results, we'll rest it in the fridge for 20 minutes for it to become thicker and slimy, just like the consistency of beaten eggs. Next, we'll prepare the dry ingredients. Here I have 1.5 cups of regular rolled oats. I have slightly toasted them at medium-high heat for 5 minutes, which is totally optional. You may also use instant or steel-cut oats here. We'll transfer it into a blending jar. Into it, we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I also like to add some spices like a pinch of nutmeg, 2 green cardamom, and 5 to 6 cloves. I'm gonna just grate the nutmeg slightly, just about a pinch. We'll de-seed the cardamom from the pod and crush the seeds along with the cloves and add it into the blending jar as well. Instead of the whole spices, you could just use half a teaspoon of allspice powder or totally skip the spices. Next, we'll grind these dry ingredients until well combined. So this is how the dry ingredients should look after blending it. In the next step, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, we'll take half a cup of coconut oil. You could use any other cooking oil, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar or any other alternative sweetener. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix them really well. I also like to add a teaspoon of orange peel. It gives an amazing flavor. Just grate the topmost orange part of the peel gently. It is optional though. Next, we'll add the blended dry ingredients 1/3 at a time and gently fold it in to form a smooth, lump-free batter. Now we'll add 1.5 cups of grated or shredded carrots. I also like to add 1/4 cup each of chopped almonds and raisins. You could also add cashews, pecans and walnuts as well. Mix them in uniformly. Since it is an eggless recipe, we are looking for a thick batter. But if you find it to be too thick, you may loosen it using 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or any milk alternative. Now we'll prepare the baking tray. I have here an 8-inch square baking tray. You may use an 8-inch round pan as well. I have oiled the sides and lined the bottom with a baking sheet. You can just oil and dust it with flour to make it non-stick. Next, we'll transfer the batter to the tray and smoothen the top. If you want, you can decorate the top surface with some oats, raisins and nuts. We'll bake it in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Alright, the cake baked exactly for 45 minutes. It may take longer depending on the oven. We'll let it cool in the pan 5 to 10 minutes and then demold and let it cool on the rack completely before cutting it. So this is how oatmeal carrot cake finally looks. It's come out really soft and fluffy and moist.
So
that was my recipe for vegan and gluten-free carrot cake. Hope you liked it. It goes really well with your afternoon tea. It's an excellent snack cake. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell to keep watching my new videos. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.